Hello, hi, I'm Siti from Smart Excel, where we are specialized in getting primary and secondary students to score the best in PSLE and the GCE O-level examination. Alright, for this tutorial, we're going to do P3, Chapter 9, Area and Perimeter, Question 6. Okay, so the figure below shows a big rectangle of size 12 by 8 cm. Okay, four small squares of size 2 cm are cut out from the four corners of the big rectangle. Find the perimeter and area of the remaining figure. Okay, so we read through one more time to understand better. Alright, so they mentions that this big rectangle is this that they are referring to, and the size is 12 by 8. Okay, maybe we can insert that. So the 12 is here to here, and the 8 is referring this. Okay, so they mentions that this side here, they have four small squares of the side here is 2 cm cut out from the big rectangle. They ask you to find the perimeter. Okay, let's concentrate on finding the perimeter first. Okay, the perimeter, maybe I make two different color, maybe yellow, and I see if this is okay. Alright, so this, as we know, here to here is 12, right? Okay, I want you to see something. Alright, where's this line here, this line, and this line. When we add these three yellow lines together, this line, this line, this line, it will give us, can you imagine that this we put up front, this we put up front, it will give us one straight line as it here at 12 cm. Okay, so that will give actually the one side. So these three lines here is the one side, and there is another three lines here, 1 2 3. Okay, this will give, this is the first perimeter. Perimeter is equals to, we have 12, oops, is 2 2 2. Okay, we have 12 and we times 2 because it's two sides, plus, let's look at this. Okay, this is one side, this one, and this one. We add together will give us 8, and they have two sides of this like this, so it's 8 times 2. Alright, so when we add this together, this is 24 and 16, this will give us 40 cm. So that's the A. Alright, the A part. Alright, so now let's go to the B part, which they ask for the remaining area. Remaining area, I want you to see something. Okay, it is the big rectangle here, because they say this corner here is an equal square, right? So let's call this let's call this part here as S1, this is S2, S3, S4. Okay, so it's actually your big rectangle. We can minus all the four small squares. That will give us the remaining area. Agree? Alright, so let's find that. Okay, let's find big rectangle first, which is length times breadth, right? Which is equals to, what's the length? Length is 12. What's the breadth? Breadth is 8. So 12 times 8, which is equals to 96 cm square. Then I want to find one box first. Okay, one square, which is equals to 2 times 2, right? So 2 times 2 is equals to 4 cm square, and we have 4 boxes, so we need to find 4s, which is 4 times 4, which is equals to 16 square. So from here we're gonna take the rectangle minus the 4 squares, right, which we can add to here. This is 96 minus 16, and we have 80 cm square. Alright, so I hope this is kind of clear enough for you to see, understand, and able to explain clearer to your child at home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.